First vlog in a long time since my last channel. That was cringe. Still cringy talking to the camera, but if you know me, you do. If you don't, my name's Han. I wear Volk Racing shirts all day and talk about real parts. Today we're gonna go link up with Shane and Ross, and we're gonna go wash my car, and Shane's gonna get his hood wrapped. He's gonna get rid of the 02 livery. And basically I'm getting my car washed because tomorrow's paint day. The hood's going from carbon to black just because the carbon's not savable anymore, and I'd rather just opt out for the black route because it's gonna look better, and I don't want my hood looking so janky when I'm going to shows with the homies. But yeah, simple day today. Tomorrow's gonna be more hectic, but let's get today going. Oh, I see a little tunnel. Oh, I keep forgetting I'm low now. Oh my god. Rossi, I'm here, Ross. Oh, it's so hot.
Shit, right. Goddamn.
It's hot, man.
Vlog?
A little bit.
You vlogging?
Just weekly content.
Weekly content? Okay. Is it on right now?
Yeah. Do you want to say something?
No. Hi. Let's get some work, guys. Here's my MD. We're gonna do this today. Yeah. Shake these up. Real wheels, not fake.
I'm not using you for clout, by the way.
It's all good, bro.
I'm not gonna use you for clout. I'm not like that. Why you be so mean? Alright, this is Ross 86. And that's his FD right here, and that's the K-pop boy over there. Ross, what is this? Like, it's Rocket Bunny, right? This is Rocket Bunny, right?
Yeah. V1.
Rocket Bunny V1, Cosmos wheels. Everything on this car is practically custom because that's the type of person he is. But let me just look at it. Probably the hardest 86 in Vegas. Yeah, that's just a flex at this point. Man's not even gonna use these.
We got Shane's World. Check it out, baby. Do your TEs, bro. Check the TEs out. TE gang. TE gang.
What's poppin', dude? Han, nice to meet you.
You look cool, bro. Hi, man. Talking shit.
I love Shane's car, man. Okay, so I'm gonna hop on the gimbal and get some shots for Shaney boy and them doing the hood. So I'll see you guys in like a little bit. Bye bye. Alright, so Shane and Ross and all of them are still they're still wrapping the car, so we're gonna wash my car before it gets too dark out to get ready for tomorrow.
Bro. It's nutting, look. Free content. Yeah.
Put it up?
Yeah, pull it up a little bit. Alright, bet.
Oh, I fucked up for my paint appointment because my files were corrupted last night. As I was editing, all the files got corrupted, so I had to do some stuff through MacBook's terminal to get my files back, and it worked out. I got them all back, but it's still ridiculous. So it's already 9:45 right now. I'm supposed to be at Ruben shop at 10, and it's 30 minutes away, so we'll figure that out. Yeah, the man himself.
I see what you mean. You're gonna hold your breath?
Oh, I have like fucking regular thing. No, but I'll be far.
Okay.
I'll be in like the corners.
Okay. Yeah, you can go in there.
No going back now, bro. All carbon now. No, it's not carbon anymore.
They're painted.
I don't know, I think it would look better painted.
Yeah, it'll look a lot better.
Yeah.
That's great. 3 hours of sleep.
Alright, so car is currently in the paint booth. Ruben's doing his magic or whatever in there right now, as you guys saw from the last clip. The whole hood's gonna get paint matched today. Fucking amazing. And yeah, let's see what the outcome is. And I'll probably hop on the gimbal after and get some footage of like what the whole car looks like now. I'm so happy to get this done already, because the hood's kind of done, and Ruben told me that it's beyond saving at this point. So really happy that, you know, I did go this route. Paint match is better. Alright, I didn't get to show you guys too in depth of this because me and Ruben just went back in just like 10 minutes ago, but Ruben, the paint guy, best painter in Vegas, got this van for 500 bucks, and it literally looks like something off Pimp My Ride. That is amazing. Hella poke, just like major, man. Look at that. On the Cosmos though. I'm gonna show you guys Kate's car now. I just noticed that her car was here. I don't think she's in town. I'm not gonna try to show too much because I don't know what she's trying to do to it, and I don't want to give away what she actually has plans for it. So this is Kate's Evo 10 GSR, I think. I am not sure. I'm pretty sure it's a GSR. Nice car, Kate. That's her IG. Follow the homie. And if you know what that banner is, big shout out War Amp. Fucking love happy endings, man. That might have been third or fourth coat. I'm not sure. But Ruben just got all that done. I'm gonna go get water because I'm dying right now. And we're gonna go check what the coat right now looks like. So, yeah. It's baking time?
Well, I'll bake it right now.
Oh shit. So it's all good already. man is a god. He's got all of that done. What is that, like 30 minutes? So now the car, the hood's getting baked, but the whole car's getting baked, basically. And that's to kind of speed up the painting, drying process. So basically the car's done. I think that might have been 5, 6, maybe 7 coats. Honestly, I think it was like 4. But yeah, dude, that was quick. Big shout out Ruben. What the hell? Cool car, man. What, the Ferrari? Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Ferrari. A BMW. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, man.
I appreciate you.
Anytime,
You're
bro.
the best.